we will learn how to make a corner loading bar in DaVinci Resolve. Select your clip, add solid color, go to the Generator tab and select a solid color. Change the color of this solid color clip in the Inspector tab. I'll choose green for this tutorial. Crop the solid color clip from the top or bottom as you prefer. I'll crop from the top. Adjust thickness. You now have a line. Place this line at the top of the video. Copy the solid color clip and rotate it 90 degrees. Place it on the left corner. Copy the remaining clips and place them in the other corners. Animate the bars. Select the first clip and go to the cropping section. Click on the Crop Right keyframe to animate it. Disable the other clips to avoid confusion. Animate each clip one by one using the same method. I'll speed up this process for demonstration. And now your corner loading bar is ready. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below if you have any questions or faced any difficulties. I will make a tutorial on that in the next video. See you next time. Bye.